Hey guys, welcome back to Indulge with Dimples. Today I got something spectacular for you. It's going to have the kitchen smelling good. And if you're trying to stay up on your healthy journey, this meal is for you. Now, I'm going to tell you some things that you can substitute and put in this meal. But you don't have to substitute too much of anything because it's simple, it's easy. And guess what? We're using my favorite, I'm telling you, my favorite kitchen appliance. Simple, easy. And if you have one, this is going to be up your alley. If you don't, you probably want to go get one. So come on, follow me in the kitchen and let's get to making this food. Alright, see you there. Alright guys, like I told you in the intro, we're going to be making a 10-minute healthy snack meal for today. Simple, easy. You can make it an appetizer or a snack, or you can make it a meal depending on how you want to serve it up. So let's get to it. A couple items that you're going to need. You're going to need a zucchini. I have one right here. It's about to go bad. It's been a little dents and stuff in it. We're going to get it together. Don't worry about it. We need some butter spray or some melted butter or some oil, depending on what you like. Couple different cheeses. We're going to mix them together, put them together, make a bash, make a clash. Also, I'm going to have some sprinkles of Parmesan. If you have the fresh, you want to use that. It's the shredded cheese that I have right here. Bang for your buck, panko. Or if you are low carb keto friendly, you don't even want to use panko. You can substitute that with the almond flour. Really great. Some of the seasonings that I like to use, if you've been with me for a while, you know this is my favorite. But if you can concoct your own seasoning like this, go ahead. But I do all that, you can get that. Then we got some Italian seasoning right here and some ground paprika. If you have the smoke, it's even better. Couldn't find it. So let's just get into making this. This is simple, it's easy, it does not take that long. So what you want to do, go ahead. I'm getting y'all together right now. So go ahead and cut off the ends of your zucchini. Now it is so much stuff that you can do with zucchini. It's versatile and it's easy to cook. So you want to cut the ends off, cut it in half, and then you want to go ahead and make wedges out of this. Just like so. You can make big wedges or medium size. I'm going to do medium size wedges, so you should be able to get out of 1/2 of it 4 of them, and then if you cut a half of it, you should be able to get 8 all together. So that's 8 medium size wedges, which I have right here. I cut some up, and all I'm going to do is just put them in my pan. So go ahead and finish your other one up. Cut them in wedges. Now you want to cut them in wedges because you want to make sure you are seasoning the inside of the zucchini as well as you're going to crisp the outside of the zucchini as well. So that works. Next thing you want to do is get your oil or your butter, depending on what you want to use. I'm just going to use some spray butter right here, and I'm going to coat them very well. I think butter gives a better flavor, so that's what I'm going to do right here. Alright, just like I did the butter spray, you can do the oil, it really doesn't matter. And then next, you want to go ahead and get your bowl out that you're going to use, and you want to add your seasoning. So I'm going to put all the measurements at the bottom, but for now I'm just going to toss in seasoning by the way of the eyeball. So a little bit of sprinkled Parmesan, but if you have the fresh Parmesan, go ahead and throw that in there. Some of my favorite seasonings. If you do not have this, you want some garlic powder, you want onion powder, you want a little bit of minced garlic if you have that, oregano, parsley, cilantro. That's all is in here. But if you have this, go ahead and just dump that in there. You want a sprinkle of Italian seasoning. And if you have smoked paprika, you want to go ahead and throw that in there as well, because that even tastes better. But I just have the ground paprika. It's going to give a nice little hint, a little color, you know, nothing major. Then you want to go ahead and add whatever cheese you have left over that you prefer to put in this. You can use white cheese, yellow cheese, whatever cheese is your favorite cheese. You want to go ahead and just put that in there as well. It's simple, it's easy, it does not take that long. I'm going to go ahead and get a fork and mix up everything in the bowl. So this is our seasoning, and we're just going to give it a nice little mix. Now you don't need a lot because a little goes a long way. A zucchini to me is just like a mushroom. it takes all the flavor that you add in there. So I'm going to go ahead and dump about half of these zucchini in here, and I'm going to toss them. Now you can bake this in the oven if you like, or if you have a air fryer, which we're going to cook ours in today. It's much simple and easy for you. Air fryer, you just put the timer on there, you don't have to really watch it, and it's going to ding for you, and voila, you got what you need. So go ahead and give it a little toss. If you have the lid to this, that's even better. Sprinkle it up, toss it around. You're going to smell all the goodness you got going on. Now this is my air fryer. It's a medium size, almost like a large really. And when I get done tossing the zucchini and our bread, there you go. So I'm going to do half without any of the breadcrumbs, and then the other half I'm going to do with breadcrumbs. So this one that I show you has no breadcrumbs, and I'm going to go ahead and line the zucchini up, and you see how coated they are? That's how you want yours. Line it up in our air fryer. Now if you don't have an air fryer, go ahead and line it up in your pan. Put some parchment paper at the bottom, or you can lightly spread or oil it. And you just want to line these up and cook them. Now this doesn't take that long to cook. I want to say probably about a good 10 minutes. Preheat your oven 350. When it gets to like 8, I will put them in there and then watch them. And when I get done, we come back, you're going to see this beautiful design that we made. Alright, so let me just finish this up. Alright, so we got them lined up in there. Hopefully you can see it. Put it in the oven, or your air fryer. I'm going to put it on 350, and it's only going to cook for probably about maybe 6 minutes or until they tender. So just check on them. And then when I come back, I will show you the finished product. Alright guys, so we are back, and I'm going to show y'all, the simple, easy snack entree that you can make. Really simple and easy. So, this is what they look like in the air fryer. They are still hot and warm. They have this nice golden color on it. They are crispy, and they are tender inside. These can be eaten as an entree, appetizer. You can make a full-blown dinner with these. Simple. The kids can help make these. You see how easy we put them together? And in the machine or the air fryer that just came out, they are blazing hot. And this is what they look like. That's a pretty golden color. I'm going to try to take one out to show y'all. But I'm telling you, these things are hot. And they have a good flavor to them. Whew, this is hot. Y'all better be happy I like y'all, because this is burning my hand. So yeah. Simple, easy, does not take that long to cook. Until next Sunday, hopefully you're liking this month. We're doing small meals, less than 10 minutes. You can make a lot out of a little bit. So I see you next Sunday. Make sure you like, subscribe, and you turn on your notifications, and you share the video, and you let me know. Conversation, dialogue at the bottom. If you made this, if you are going to make it, if you like it, if you don't like it, what you tweaked about it, let me know. Alright guys, until next time.